Doctor, I would love to have thick hair again, but I'm nervous about the procedure. How painful is it?
This is one of the most common questions we get. A local anesthetic is used for the procedure in every case. General anesthesia is not necessary. The doctors at our clinic use the smallest diameter needle available in Europe when administering the anesthetic. Pain management happens in several steps. This means if you choose us, the procedure will be pain-free, and even the administration of the anesthetic is virtually painless.
Is it possible that I have too little hair for the transplantation?
In certain men, the area lacking in hair may be so extensive that the donor area is limited, and the number of grafts found there are not sufficient to create the desired thickness in the target area. We have several solutions to this problem. Firstly, we may recommend that we do not bring the hairline forward so much at the front area of the top of the head, the target area. Or we may opt for hair implantation done in several steps. This may be an ideal solution, as in the case of pronounced baldness, the change will not be as radical if we cover the top of the head bit by bit, but, naturally, we make the decision regarding the area to be implanted together with the client. The procedure is only carried out in a way that you agree with.
How many times can I get a hair transplant?
You may get several. It depends on how many grafts are needed for the target area, and how many grafts can be obtained safely from the donor area. If you would like the procedure to be carried out in several steps, this is generally possible, but a 6 to 12 month period must pass between two procedures.
Is it necessary to carry out the procedure in a specific season, for example autumn?
It is more pleasant for the patient to have the hair transplantation procedure done in a cool environment. At our clinic, you can be in a cool place for the procedure and after, meaning you can have it done in the spring, even summertime completely safely. Our clinic is air conditioned, and we make sure the temperature is appropriate for the procedure as well. We welcome our clients any time of year.
Thank you for the information.
If you would like to see similar content, subscribe. We hope to see you soon at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.